How to Control Your Dreams, Lucid Dreaming Guide. Have you ever realized you were dreaming while inside a dream? What if I told you that with the right techniques, you could shape your dream world, explore unknown realms, and unlock the secrets of your subconscious? Welcome, traveler, to the enigmatic world of lucid dreaming. Tonight, we journey into the depths of the mind to discover how to wake up inside our dreams. But this is not just about fun or fantasy. Lucid dreaming has been used for centuries by mystics, monks, and seekers to access deeper states of consciousness. So get ready, because by the end of this guide, you will have the tools to take full control of your dreams and perhaps even step beyond the boundaries of reality itself. The science behind lucid dreaming. Before we dive into the techniques, let's unravel the mystery of how lucid dreaming works. Scientists define lucid dreaming as a state in which the dreamer is aware they are dreaming while remaining inside the dream. This phenomenon occurs during the REM, rapid eye movement, stage of sleep, the period where most vivid dreams take place. In this state, parts of the brain associated with logic and self-awareness, particularly the prefrontal cortex, become active, almost as if you are awake inside your subconscious world. Neuroscientists and psychologists have conducted experiments proving that lucid dreamers can even send signals to the waking world while dreaming, using controlled eye movements. But science is only one side of the story. What if lucid dreaming is not just a neurological trick, but a gateway to something far more profound? Step 1. Strengthening dream recall. The first step to lucid dreaming is remembering your dreams clearly. Many people dismiss their dreams because they forget them upon waking. But the truth is, everyone dreams multiple times every night. Here's how you can strengthen your dream recall. Keep a dream journal. The moment you wake up, write down everything you remember, even if it's just a fragment. Set the intention. Before sleeping, repeat to yourself, "I will remember my dreams." This simple act programs your mind to be more aware of your dream world. Wake up naturally. Alarm clocks can disrupt dream recall. Try setting an intention to wake up after REM sleep cycles. Once you start remembering your dreams, patterns will emerge, making it easier to recognize when you are dreaming. Step 2. Reality checks. Are you awake? Reality checks train your mind to distinguish between waking life and the dream world. Here are a few techniques to practice. The finger test. Try pushing one finger through the palm of your other hand. In a dream, it will pass through. Reading test. Look at a text, look away, then look back. In dreams, text tends to shift and distort. The light switch test. Try flipping a light switch. In dreams, lights often don't behave normally. Do these reality checks throughout your day. Eventually, you'll start doing them inside your dreams, triggering lucidity. Step 3. Inducing lucid dreams. Now that your awareness is heightened, it's time to induce lucid dreams. The two most powerful methods are the mild technique, mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. Before sleeping, repeat a mantra like, "I will realize I'm dreaming." Visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream. This imprints the intention onto your subconscious. The wild technique, wake-initiated lucid dreaming. This technique involves entering a lucid dream directly from a waking state. To do this, wake up in the middle of the night, stay awake for 10 to 20 minutes, then go back to sleep while maintaining awareness. You'll begin dreaming while conscious, a powerful and sometimes surreal experience. Step 4. Stabilizing and controlling your dreams. Once inside a lucid dream, the challenge is maintaining control. Here's how to stabilize your dream. Rub your hands together to increase sensory awareness. Spin around to reset the dream environment. Shout a command like, "Increase clarity," to make the dream more vivid. To shape the dream world, use doors and mirrors to teleport to different places. Summon objects or people by expecting them to be behind you. Fly, breathe underwater, or bend reality. You are the creator here. The secret side of lucid dreaming. A gateway beyond? What if lucid dreaming is more than just a playground of the mind? Many ancient traditions believed that dreams could serve as portals to other realms. Lucid dreaming in ancient civilizations. The Tibetan Buddhists developed dream yoga, using lucid dreams for spiritual enlightenment. Ancient Egyptians documented dream travel, believing it could connect them to the gods. Even shamans worldwide have used lucid dreams for prophecy and healing. The connection to astral projection. Some practitioners claim that lucid dreaming can lead to out-of-body experiences, OBEs. The theory suggests that if you become aware enough in a lucid dream, you can separate your consciousness from your dream body and enter the astral plane, a space beyond the physical world, full of mysterious entities and hidden knowledge. Advanced techniques for the brave. If you want to take lucid dreaming to the next level, here are some esoteric techniques. The mirror method. Staring into a mirror inside a lucid dream can reveal hidden truths about your subconscious, or something else looking back at you. The doorway experiment. Imagine that every door leads to a different dimension. Open one and step through. Seeking the dream guide. Many lucid dreamers report encountering a mysterious figure who acts as a guide. Who or what are they? Are you ready to enter the dream world? Lucid dreaming is more than just a way to explore your subconscious. It is a journey into the unknown. With practice, patience, and an open mind, you can not only control your dreams but possibly unlock secrets hidden beyond ordinary perception. Tonight, when you close your eyes, remember, reality is only what you believe it to be. And if you find yourself inside a dream, take a deep breath. Look at your hands and ask yourself, am I awake? If this journey into the dream world fascinated you, don't forget to subscribe and share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever had a lucid dream? What did you discover? The path to hidden knowledge is long, and together, we will unveil the greatest mysteries of existence.